So we have created an object with data type range, and range 7 hargadi. This object contains numbers starting from 0 to 6. And how do we print all the numbers in this object? We print by using a for loop. Instead of this, can we use the simple print command? Can we use the print command? Let us try using the print command. Print R. Print R. What do we expect? We expect 0 to 6 box print or expect. But when we execute this cell, let us see it. The output it produces is an object of range of range type, and output range 0 to 7. You start with the number 0 and you go up to 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6 box alo haiba. 0 dagina 7 minus 1, 6 box alo haiba. Sigi upper limit 7 is yaw so it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aduna range 7 haibasiga range 0, 7 haibasiga range 7 is the same as range 0, 7, which we can see here. We can use a starting number, an ending number, and a step value in the range object as follows. So, range R equal to range within bracket 5, 9, 2. Let me run this. The above code creates a range object with a starting number 5 and ending number 9. The step size is 2. Let us print it. Print or ziga, let us print it. For I in R, print I 5, 7. I give the maximum number in 9 ni mama sadi yaw idabni. I give the upper limit yaw idabni. So 5 take the only lower limit yawani. Range 0, 7 habikanda 0 to 7 habikanda. It starts from 0 and it goes up to 7 minus 1. 7 bhakti upper limit yaw de because mine todana high range. You start with 5, you end at 9. End at 9 you end before 9, and step size 2. Step size ani kala print to. So the 5 layer ni 5 ani kala 7 ani kala 9. Upper limit yaw de habanina. It should print only 5 and 7. 9 yaw ever. Okay, we can create a list with a range of numbers from 0 to 9 as follows. Range data type never range data type. So when I print the range data type, the output is this range 0 to 7. And a single range data types list on top of. We can change one data type to another data type. Especially we can change from one data type to list data type. Aduna range data types list data types change. Say for example range 10 has range 10. Range 10. See line my range my range my range equal to range 10. Range within bracket 10. My range say on top my underscore g my range. So what does the first line do? The first line creates a range object. My range object my range range object it is converted by the list command list function list function my range list on forever, and that list is stored in the variable ls list is stored forever. Now when I print ls list print over. So let me run this. I get 0 to 9. I don't know range hariba object si aina list on thoke haiba targadi very simple list hariba function jina my range hariba igi range to operate to holo you get the list as the output and now this is stored in this variable list and print ls aduna range the list on thoke haiba di list function jina operate option ba kare ko so very simple idea adagi amuk another data type no kaino set data type set habasi kaino akoina mathematics su a set habasi karin haba set habasi is an unordered collection of elements habili ko it is an unordered collection of elements magidi order leite ko aduna maths ki definition duga python de yauriba set ki definition duga samani ko so to create a set we should enter the elements separated by commas inside curly braces. Curly braces. Set organ curly braces. So within curly braces, 1, 2, 4, 7, 4, 3. I will set. I'm defined already. Now this set is stored in the variable s. S variable set. And now let us print the variable s. Run it again. What do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So the 4 this 4 is counted twice. But a set does not store duplicate elements. Set the duplicate element is stored there. So it is counted only once. So this is set data type. Next mapping data type. Mapping data type say mapping type dictionary data type discuss a dictionary is like a list mas a list company but more general man hai general oy combine general oy in a list the indices have to be integers like list ki indexing do kari oy ba 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on or either -1, -2, -3 and so on. So list key indices they have to be integers. But in a dictionary they can be almost any type. Dictionary the index or type type of may not be integer, it can be any type. So examples a dictionary contains a collection of indices which are called keys. Dictionary dana indices to keys correct and a collection of values. Each key is associated with a single value. The association of a key and a value is called a key value pair or sometimes an item. So for example, this is a dictionary. This is a dictionary. Say the ONE has it is a ONE has a string not wrong. ONE it is within quotes. So this ONE is a string. Adugo the colon happening colon hape adugo within quotes is uno uno yaraba. So this one is the key, this uno is the value. Animal string this one is also a string, this uno is also a string. Animal string any type of vehicle. So this is the key, this is the value. Second, the 2 hariba string jina key ni dos hariba jina value ni kamai khangani marak colon lagini ko. So 1 go uno ga ani jina pulaga item ne ba. This is item number 1, this is item number 2, this is item number 3. The items are separated by commas. Item habisi kaina pulaga semano items habisi key amaga value amaga pulaga semani. This is the key, this is the value. Yarba aduna this is a dictionary. Dictionary English the count over when Spanish to otokwa 1 2 3 1 2 3 have never Spanish the go. So this is a dictionary, English to Spanish dictionary print type English to Spanish. This is a dictionary when run to matamda. This is a dictionary type. DICT. Aduga atopa mong haigana, this is an object with class dictionary. Some na koina dictionary data type and sleek comes along. Sri Yangasi English to Spanish 2 TWO2 Kareko. Siju Sagi Equina bracket Manunga list Amada bracket Manunga index Iba Adumaina dictionary dana within the bracket you can write the key to Iraneva. So 2 letter, this is the key, and what is the corresponding value? The value is DOS. So when I execute this cell, I should get the value corresponding to the input key 2. 2 however key is the corresponding output value. So let me run this. I should get DOS. DOS fangega. So English to Spanish haribasina dictionary duni. This is the dictionary. Magi key 2 however key is the value kaino DOS. Got it? Let us look at another dictionary. So it's dictionary 1 correct? So is the among the role has the key ni number 21 has the value ni name is another key Suresh has na sigizina value ni. Let me write it as capital S. The address has the key ni Imphal has na magi value ni standard has the key ni 5 has na magi value ni. So let me run this. Run tore. Okay. Print dict 1 hagadi si loinamu print or kanika. So yang asi run. Loinamu print or loinamu print or adugidi here let me add one blank key here. Says the dict DICT dictionary 1 aduga index ta I see the oh Uraba.
Sir.
Marakta may mulure. Sige sayda hojik yang asi akoi dictionary 1 haiba ai sida dictionary am leire. This is my dictionary 1. So dict 1 haiga let me write the key the option lagi key. So for example name is the key. So when I execute this cell, what will be the output?
Suresh.
The output should be Suresh. Right? Very simple. Aduna ayi dictionary bu ero list bu ero string bu ero magi karamba element pamge habidu ai magi index to piraga adum aina pamiba element adum loba ya ganeba. The order of the key value pair may not be the same. If you type the same example on your computer, you might get a different result. In general, the order of items in a dictionary is unpredictable. So, for example, the role the name goes the role but when you print it, sometimes name the item on the Okay, let me repeat. The order of the key value pairs may not be the same. If you type the same example on your computer, you might get a different result. In general, the order of items in a dictionary is unpredictable. Sinika. So the in a role hana ire, name next ire, address next ire, standards last ire. So sigi orders a sigi I can store tawraga amu print matamda adum change torombe kashu kaide, but the key value pairs will not change. Role hagadi 21 judum laini, name hagadi Suresh judum laini, address hagadi Imphal judum laini, key value pair di change tawroi, the order of items can change. Wow. Okay, next we move to variables. Variable go ahead. Variables is higher. Variables is karino. A variable is a first let me use the spotlight. Okay. So a variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. In other words, a variable is a name that refers to a value. A variable may take different values at different times during execution. Although I can hana mamang the kari khangre variable have a memory location number assigned to memory location to the variables the assigned to the value do variables the sorry memory locations happening. So a variable corresponds to a memory location, and whatever value is stored in that variable, that value is stored in the corresponding memory location. A variable may take different values at different times during execution. An assignment statement creates a new variable and gives it a value. Length equal to 20.5. Assignment. This is a assignment statement. This assignment statement creates the variable whose name is length, and it gives a value 20.5. 20.5 value is length. Create variable. So a simple program to calculate the area of a rectangle using 3 variables: length, breadth, and area. So program study. So length equal to 20.5. So we have created a new variable called length, and we have given it a value 20.5. Next, we create another new variable breadth, and we assign the value 5.4 to this variable breadth. Next, we create a new variable called area. Area ko value variable ama defined tawre, create tawre. Aduga mamangona kari hapsale length amasung breadth ani is the yauriba length the yauriba value duga breadth the yauriba value duga ani to multiply tawre. Pangaiba answer to area hariba aigi variables the hapsale. So when I type print area, it should print the value which is stored in the variable area. So let me run this cell. The area is 110.7. Let us calculate the area of another rectangle. So let us define length equal to 15. See, length high variable say it was already created and it contained the value 20.5. Now what have we done here? Now length high variable say 20.5 yorambado I sirida 15 high numbers now override to length equal to 15. Now you assign the number 15 to the variable length and override whatever was there earlier in the variable. And recall length high variables the whatever value do override to 15 override to. Next breadth variables value 5.4. Now let us override it by the value 3.4. So sorry 3.9. Now so the areas is now this since length and breadth are different, their product will be different, and that new product will be assigned to the variable area. So when I execute this cell, let me run this cell. The area contains the value 58.5. So this is what we mean that a variable may take different values at different times during execution. So during this initial execution ka length ki value is 20.5 ni, mathang dadi length is 15 ni. So the variable length can take different values. So after the execution of this cell, length C kya like raha 15 like raha, that we can see by print length. Print length. Let me print length. The length 20.5 hapani, mathang the length 15 hapsan gram ni. So when I print length, what will be the output? Kari pangani?
15.
You should get 15. So let me run it. The answer is 15. Type 15 is integer, so length will be integer type. Now let me assign the number 12.3 within quotes. Within quotes, say floating point number within quotes enclosed
String one.
String so string 12.3 string length variables assigned to. So let me execute this. Now, what will be the type of this length? Data type where any? String 12.3 string. So this variable length contains the string 12.3. So its type should be string type. Integers or floating it should be string type. Yareko? Aduga mangonda your value let us print. Let us print length. It should print this value 12.3. So at different instances, this variable length can take different values. Even its type can also change. Seasonal length say floating point floating point type seasonal integer on gray. Seasonal carry on gray, string on gray. Aduna variable during the course of execution, its type can change. The value stored inside it can change. C language C language study variable value change type change during the course of execution. Variable type change C language programming in C language. The variables value change the way, but type change the way. Integer or when define the without the integer string or string but we can see that Python is quite flexible. The value of the variable can change, and not only the value, the type of the variable can also change. It changes from floating point to integer, and then from integer to string. Say the variable now take on different values, and not only the different values, it takes on different types. But last, literals in Python. Literals have the constant numbers in literal. A literal is a constant value that is stored into a variable in a program. Variable is stored constants. These constants, whatever constants that we are storing in variables, these constants are called literals. Here A is the variable into which the constant value 15 is stored. Hence the value 15 is called literal. Literal whatever constants that we are storing in variables. This constant values are called literals.